Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. This is official website. After that, this is right hand side search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard AORUS RTX 3090 Extreme WaterForce WB24G and then hit enter and then click on the product. So this is your graphic card, click on it. Then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating 7 also installations and download driver is same process. So this is your driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see. And after completed, then click on three dot and click on download. It will start download. Click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see. Okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.